Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to the course channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope I'll give you and mighty keep you happy, keep you home and healthy and may you continue like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet neck warmer designs for women and girls ideas, beautiful colors, beautiful contrasts, very amazing designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box, like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, Allah Hafiz.